Hello, this is MrTriPie, and today I'm going to do a 3D modeling tutorial on an arcade cabinet. So we shall start as expected um, with by pressing Shift A and adding a cube. I can then extrude once and extrude again. And then drag this in. Then I can go into edge mode by Control Tab to select the mode. Drag this down a bit. Drag this in a bit. And now we have the basic shape for our cabinet. Then I can Control R and scroll up on my mouse wheel, and then do that again. Then right click, left click, and then right click to put two loops in, and then scale on the y-axis. And these will be our walls. And this part right here is where you see the logo of the game, most likely. And then you can delete these two faces. And then we can go in here and extrude everything here on the x-axis a bit. Then you can fill these two. Yeah. Let's see. And then we can move this on the normal a bit to make. I guess it's not really needed. Then we can hit I for insert, and E for extrude, and that can be our screen. Then probably want this to go down a bit. And then these come on. These we can hit Control B to bevel and scroll up to add a few. Make it nice and smooth. And now we have the main body. You can maybe add a few loops here. Drag those up a bit. A little less to make that smoothed out. And then we can hit smooth and add an edge split modifier. Okay. Maybe make the angle a little less. Like so. And then we can save it. I'll not do that. Just force of habit. Then we can add a UV sphere that we can use as the start of a joystick. You can use C to circle select those. Start with faces. See, circle select those. Go to edges and extrude that down the Z-axis. And then extrude, scale, extrude. And that'll be a joystick. Or maybe extrude and scale that down one more time. And I can put that there. Drag it down a bit. And then box, select these. Shift D. Delete faces. Select those. Fill. Now we have a button. You can add two of these. Then edge split with smoothing. And copy that over and G on the y-axis for your second player. And now we have a basic arcade cabinet. That was MrTriPie, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you. Also, please check out my new game I'm making, AMG. About to release it.